Did you know that the humble baking soda sitting in your kitchen has been a trusted remedy since the 1800s? That's right. This versatile powder isn't just for whipping up delicious cakes or keeping your fridge smelling fresh. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that generations have relied on. Today we're diving into the exciting trend of drinking baking soda water. You might be wondering, why on earth would anyone drink baking soda? Well, believe it or not, this simple combination is making waves for its astonishing health perks. Benefits that most people have no idea about. Get ready to uncover the surprising ways baking soda can enhance your well-being and why it deserves a spot in your daily routine. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. In today's fast-paced world, issues like indigestion and acidity are all too common. That's why more and more people are turning back to natural remedies for relief. Baking soda water, with its ability to balance out stomach acid, is becoming a go-to solution for many, not just because it works, but because it's so simple and easy to access. So if you're wondering how something as basic as baking soda water could have such a big impact on your health, stick with us. We're about to dive into the top 8 reasons why this everyday kitchen item might just be the remedy you've been looking for. Number 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. We've all been there, feeling that burning sensation after a big meal or indulging in something spicy. Heartburn, right? It's a common issue, but there's a simple solution sitting right in your kitchen: baking soda. Yep, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking. It's a quick and easy remedy for heartburn. When you mix baking soda with water and drink it, something amazing happens. It reacts with the acid in your stomach, producing salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This process lowers the acidity in your stomach, meaning less burn and more relief. Think of it as a natural antacid. Drinking baking soda water can instantly neutralize stomach acid, giving you fast relief from that uncomfortable feeling. It's a trick that's been used for generations because it's not only super effective, but also incredibly convenient. So why should you care? Well, by turning to natural remedies like baking soda water, you're taking control of your digestive health in a simple, effective way. Plus, it's a great option when you want to avoid jumping straight to medications for every little discomfort. But remember, a little goes a long way. Just half a teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water after a meal can do wonders in balancing out your stomach acid and helping you feel better naturally. So next time that post-meal discomfort starts creeping in, think of baking soda water as your go-to fix. It's easy, it works, and it's been a trusted remedy for ages. 2. Enhances athletic performance. Ever wondered how athletes keep pushing their limits, even during the most intense competitions? Believe it or not, baking soda, the same stuff you have in your kitchen, might be part of the secret to their success. Here's how it works. During high-intensity workouts, our muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to that burning sensation and eventual fatigue. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a buffer for this acid. When athletes drink a baking soda solution before exercising, it helps neutralize the lactic acid buildup. This means they can keep going longer, run faster, swim harder, and push through without feeling tired as quickly. This isn't just a myth, there's actual science behind it. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can boost endurance and enhance performance, especially during short bursts of intense activity. Essentially, it gives the body a bit of extra stamina when it matters most. But before you rush to mix up a baking soda drink for every workout, it's important to know that athletes use this method carefully. They take precise doses based on their body weight and the intensity of their exercise to avoid any negative effects. So, like any supplement, moderation is key. The next time you see athletes pushing their limits and wonder how they keep going, baking soda could be part of their strategy. It's incredible to think that such a simple, everyday ingredient can make a big difference. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to improve your fitness routine, this trick might be worth considering. 3. Kidney health support. Let's dive into a lesser-known but powerful benefit of baking soda: its potential role in supporting kidney health. For people dealing with chronic kidney disease, CKD, keeping the right chemical balance in the body is critical, and baking soda might actually help with that. In CKD, the kidneys struggle to maintain this balance, often leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. This happens when there's too much acid in the body. That's where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes into play. It's well known for neutralizing acids, and when taken in the right amounts, it can do the same in your bloodstream. So, how does it work? When consumed, baking soda reacts with the excess acids in the blood, helping to raise the body's pH to more normal levels. This doesn't just help balance the acid, It can also slow down the progression of kidney disease. By stabilizing the body's internal environment, it can support the kidneys in functioning better. And this isn't just a wild idea, there's real evidence to back it up. Clinical studies have shown that patients with CKD who included a proper dose of baking soda in their treatment plan were able to better manage their condition. In fact, it even slowed the disease's progression compared to those who didn't use it. It's a simple but effective way to support kidney health. However, it's super important to be cautious with this remedy. Baking soda therapy should always be done under a healthcare professional's supervision, especially for people with kidney disease, to make sure the dosage is safe and effective. If you or someone you know is managing kidney health, it might be worth bringing this up with a doctor. It's incredible to think that something as basic as baking soda could have such a big impact on our health. 4. Alleviates urinary tract infections. Let's explore another surprising use for baking soda, helping ease the discomfort caused by urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are no fun. They bring pain, burning sensations, and overall discomfort that no one wants to endure. But here's where baking soda might lend a hand. During a UTI, urine becomes more acidic, which can make the symptoms feel even worse. Baking soda, with its well-known ability to neutralize acids, can help by balancing the pH levels in the urine. When the acidity decreases, it can soothe the irritation in the urinary tract. Essentially, drinking a mixture of baking soda and water may help create a less acidic environment, offering some relief from that painful burning sensation. But before you grab the baking soda, there's something important to keep in mind. It's not a cure, and it's definitely not a replacement for medical treatment. While it might help ease symptoms, baking soda can't tackle the infection itself. That's where antibiotics come in. UTIs can get worse if left untreated, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider instead of self-treating. Also, you'll want to be cautious about how much baking soda you're using. Too much can lead to other health problems, so it's all about finding the right balance. Always check with a healthcare professional to make sure it's safe, especially if you have any underlying conditions. So, if you're dealing with UTI symptoms, it might be worth discussing baking soda as a potential way to get some relief. It's amazing that such a simple kitchen ingredient could offer comfort in such an uncomfortable situation. But remember, professional guidance is key to making sure it's the right option for you. 5. Reduces gout symptoms. Let's talk about a condition that's all too common and often pretty painful: gout. Gout is a type of arthritis that causes intense pain and swelling, usually in the joints. It happens when too much uric acid builds up in the blood, forming sharp crystals in the joints. Ouch, right? But here's some good news. A simple kitchen ingredient, baking soda, might be able to help with those painful symptoms. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is great at raising the pH levels of body fluids, making them less acidic. For someone with gout, this can be really beneficial. By lowering the acidity in your body, it becomes easier to dissolve the uric acid crystals that cause those painful flare-ups in the joints. So, while it won't cure gout, it may help manage the discomfort and prevent future episodes. That said, using baking soda wisely is key. Too much of it can lead to other health problems, so it's important to get the dosage right. Always talk to your healthcare provider before adding baking soda to your routine to make sure it fits in with your overall treatment plan. Speaking of treatments, managing gout effectively often requires a combination of strategies. This might include making changes to your diet, like cutting back on high-purine foods, which can increase uric acid, staying well hydrated, and taking any medications your doctor prescribes. Baking soda could be one part of that larger plan to keep your symptoms under control. If you're dealing with gout, it's worth having a conversation with your doctor about whether baking soda could be a helpful addition to your management strategy. Every small step can make a big difference in reducing pain and preventing future gout attacks. It's all about finding what works best for you and tackling the problem from multiple angles. 6. Aids in chemotherapy effectiveness. Let's dive into a fascinating area of research surrounding baking soda: its potential role in enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Cancer treatment is tough, and improving how treatments like chemotherapy work is always a top priority. So how does baking soda fit into this picture? Chemotherapy targets and kills fast-growing cancer cells, but sometimes it's not as effective as it could be. One reason for this is the acidic environment around tumors, which can make it harder for chemotherapy drugs to reach and attack cancer cells. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes in. Some early studies have suggested that baking soda might help by neutralizing the acidity around tumors. By reducing the acidic conditions, it's possible that chemotherapy drugs can work more efficiently, allowing them to penetrate the tumor and destroy cancer cells more effectively. This idea is still in the research phase, but it's a promising thought that something as simple as baking soda could potentially improve such a critical treatment. However, it's important to be cautious here. While the findings are intriguing, this research is still new, and we don't have all the answers yet. The use of baking soda alongside chemotherapy is not something that's widely recommended, and it should never be done without professional medical advice. Every cancer patient's situation is unique, and treatments can have different effects depending on the individual. If you or someone you know is undergoing chemotherapy and is curious about whether baking soda could play a role, it's crucial to talk to your healthcare team. They'll have the most up-to-date information and can offer guidance on whether this approach is safe or beneficial for your specific case. It's exciting to think about where this research might lead, especially when it has the potential to improve vital treatments like chemotherapy. But remember, there's a long road from early studies to proven treatments, and thorough testing is key to ensuring safety and effectiveness. 7. May improve skin health. Have you ever spent a fun day in the sun, only to come home with a sunburn that makes it impossible to sleep, or found yourself scratching all day because of an annoying allergic rash? These kinds of skin problems can be more than just a minor irritation. They can really throw off your whole day, but guess what? A simple kitchen staple, baking soda, might just be the skin-soothing remedy you need. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is known for its mild cleansing and anti-inflammatory qualities, making it a potential lifesaver for those irritating skin issues. When you add it to your bathwater, baking soda can help calm the itchiness and irritation caused by things like sunburns or allergic reactions. It works by neutralizing the irritants on your skin and providing relief to the affected areas. So, how do you prepare a baking soda bath? It's easy. Start by filling your bathtub with lukewarm water. Skip the hot water, as it can make irritated skin even worse. Then, add about half a cup of baking soda to the water and stir it around to dissolve it completely. Once everything is mixed in, hop in and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. When you're done, gently pat yourself dry with a towel. Avoid rubbing your skin, as that can irritate it more. If you deal with regular skin irritations, a baking soda bath can be a fantastic addition to your routine. Not only can it offer quick relief, but it can also leave your skin feeling smoother and less inflamed. Keep in mind, while baking soda baths can provide temporary relief, they're not a cure for ongoing skin conditions. If you're dealing with severe or long-lasting skin issues, it's always a good idea to check in with a healthcare provider or dermatologist. They can give you the best advice on how to care for your skin and address any underlying issues. 8. Potential detoxification. Let's dive into something that's been making waves in wellness circles lately: detoxing with baking soda. You might have heard people talk about using baking soda to cleanse the body, even suggesting that it helps support the kidneys. But before you jump into adding this household staple to your daily routine, let's break it down. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is widely known for its practical uses around the house and for tackling minor health issues like acid reflux. Some wellness enthusiasts also believe that it can aid in detoxification. The idea is that baking soda can balance the body's pH levels, making it easier for the kidneys to flush out toxins and impurities. But hold on. While that sounds great in theory, it's important to approach this claim with caution. The notion that baking soda can detoxify the body is mostly based on personal stories rather than solid scientific evidence. So far, there haven't been any major studies to confirm these effects. Just because a few people swear by it doesn't mean it's a universally recognized or proven remedy. If you're considering baking soda for detox purposes, it's essential to stay grounded. Our bodies already have incredibly effective detox systems in place. Hello, liver, and kidneys. These organs do a great job keeping our bodies clean and balanced without the need for extra detox products or diets. So, while the idea of using baking soda for detox may be tempting, it's always smart to consult with a healthcare professional first. They can give you sound advice based on your personal health needs and guide you towards safe, well-researched methods for supporting your body's natural detox processes. Remember, just because something is trendy doesn't mean it's right for everyone. Safety and science should always come first. Let's look at some precautions. If you're thinking about trying baking soda water for its potential health benefits, it's crucial to be aware of the proper dosage and possible risks. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is high in sodium, which can have significant effects on your health if not used correctly. Overdoing it can lead to electrolyte imbalances and a condition called alkalosis, where your body's pH level becomes too high. Symptoms of these issues can include muscle spasms, confusion, and even convulsions, serious health concerns that you definitely want to avoid. People with specific health conditions need to be especially careful. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, the high sodium content in baking soda could pose risks, such as increased blood pressure and added stress on your kidneys. So before you start incorporating baking soda into your routine, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider. They can review your health history, current conditions, and any medications you're taking to make sure that using baking soda is safe and suitable for you. This step is key to avoiding any negative side effects and ensuring that any treatment plan, including baking soda, is appropriate for your individual health needs. While baking soda might have some impressive health benefits, it's crucial to use it with caution and moderation. Overusing it can lead to health issues, so always consider your personal health needs and consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment. This helps ensure that your approach to health is both safe and tailored to your specific conditions. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with baking soda or any other natural remedies in the comments below. Let's learn from each other's journeys and find the best ways to support our health together. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely want to check out the one on the screen about mixing castor oil with baking soda. It's a fantastic combination,